Hey, it's that kiss you on the neck, hell yeah, boy Okina again. We're back at it with another review for an accessory we can use with our Nintendo Switch. This one's going to be a quickie just like my past relationships. Gang gang. Long story short, I forgot my charger at home and I'm the one who provides Super Smash Bros. To all my coworkers. To all you fellow Switch enthusiasts, you'll know if you don't have the original Nintendo power adapter that your dock will not project correctly to the TV. Another way Nintendo's milking your boy Okina for that coin. Keeping your boy down. Luckily I get down with the sickness. Shout out Disturbed. Enough with all that headbanging, let's get on with the review. Today we're going to be reviewing the Nyko AC power cord adapter. It's a Type-C charger for your Nintendo Switch and Nintendo Switch dock. I went ahead and picked this bad boy up for $24.99 at my local GameStop. I didn't want to drive all the way home to go get my adapter. This is a $5 difference versus the original Nintendo adapter, which is $29.99. Do the math, fam. You're saving a whopping $5. That's enough for a Whataburger burger. If we check on the back here, we can see that it has the Nyko seal of approval, or seal of quality. Thanks Nyko for letting us know we always have a quality product. Nyko ever wanted to take me on a cute date? I don't think I'd mind. Shout out Nyko, hook your boy up. Like I said, I got this product for $24.99, but I looked on Amazon right now and they are selling for $19.99. Compared to the original Nintendo adapter, that's a $10 difference. That's enough for a whole Whataburger meal. Look at that. Much kawaii. Nyko claims to be a rapid charging USB-C type, but I looked at the specs for the original Nintendo adapter. They are exactly the same, 15 volts, 2.6 amps. We can go ahead and look at the charging adapters now. We'll go and take a first look at the original Nintendo. You can see its logo right here. Very nice Nintendo. Always a quality product when it comes to Nintendo. Let's go ahead and take a look at our Nyko adapter. Our Nyko adapter here is more of a square shape, more of a cube you would say. It has a nice gloss finish at the bottom. It tracks a lot of fingerprints though. As you can see, we have a Nyko adapter here, much kawaii like I said before. The cord does feel a little bit different. And we have our plug right here. Nice feature is it can fold in. Very nice, almost like a Mac charger. If we're comparing size, when you're on the go, we can see that the Nintendo charger is a little bit smaller, but when taking in consideration the plug that cannot fold in, the Nyko does win by 1/4 of an inch. So that's a nice thing to take into consideration. I personally think Nyko's a great company, and there's not much bad things I could say about the Nyko adapter. They're doing the same thing as Nintendo, but 2/3 the price. If you are looking for a spare adapter or you have lost yours, this is a good route to go to save about $10. If you like Nintendo, go ahead and get your Nintendo adapter. They're about $30. But like I said, this was gonna be a quickie. Just like my dad said he would be at the store, but I haven't seen him recently. Dad, where are you? All daddy issues aside, again, it's that kiss you on the neck, hell yeah, boy Okina. Please like, follow, and subscribe. It does keep that content coming. I'll see you on the next one.